Hey Dawn, this is my screencast for your mid and then your final discussion points. Like I said in my, I guess I'll call it like the little blurb that I left on our thread, typing wise, I said I love the use of emojis. I think that's the easiest way for kindergarten, honestly, probably K1, 2, to get their feelings across. I think it's a great way for them to make a quick decision and understand those three emotions without needing, too much information to answer the questions, especially ones where, like I know we've been doing some stuff with Google Slides and Google Classroom like you have here. But for some that maybe still don't understand that, seeing that sad face I think will be really easy for them to kind of circle and understand what they're doing. So I love this. I'm actually doing something similar with my story. Sorry, I was reading and speaking with my website and unit as well, because I think the idea of emojis is great. I also was wondering if you're going to do this midpoint and then this part again at the end, to compare how they're feeling at the mid versus the end, as well as kind of like your beginning data. Are you going to give one at the very start to see even more of their growth? That's just a wondering that I have. The other one, I really liked how you did the class discussion, because I think the younger students share more when they're talking to one another and kind of hearing ideas rather than pencil paper by themselves. I feel as though they'll be able to kind of build upon each other's ideas as they're sharing with you through these questions. And I think I remember you said in your paper that you'll do this whole group, so I assume you'll just be writing some notes down and jotting down and then getting a bigger picture from that. I think maybe this last question, that what can you do to make it easier on students, maybe there's one activity you could ask them which was their favorite activity that they did, or their favorite story that they did, do they wish they did more with that story, that sort of thing, making it more specific for them as well as like a generalized question. But otherwise, I think your site and your questions and mid and end look great. I love the idea of your final project, writing a book. I think it'll be really fun to see what they're going to write with their buddy there. And I can't wait to see how your story takes place, how your unit goes. Sorry, I swear my brain is not working today. But great job. I loved it.